Hello everyone. English is very difficult, isn't it? A single article like a, an or the can impact and change the entire meaning of the sentence. There is a huge difference in saying she has a little experience in driving and she has little experience in driving. There is a huge difference in saying I have a few books on English grammar and I have few books on English grammar. Do you know the difference between a little, little and the little, and a few, few and the few? In this video, I am going to clear all your doubts. If you watch this video till the end, I assure you that you will never again be confused with the usages of a little, little and the little, and a few, few and the few. So let's begin. Can you guess which one of these sentences is correct? My mother speaks little English or my mother speaks few English. We are little miles away or we are few miles away. Well, the correct answer is my mother speaks little English and we are few miles away. Why? You'll find answers to these questions in this video. Basically, little is used with uncountable nouns and few is used with countable nouns. Now, what are countable and uncountable nouns? Countable nouns are those nouns that can be counted, and uncountable nouns are those nouns that cannot be counted. For example, you can say 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens, 4 pens because pen is a countable noun. On the other hand, you cannot say 1 rice, 2 rices, 3 rices, 4 rices because rice is an uncountable noun. So a pen is a countable noun and rice is an uncountable noun. Countable nouns have plural forms. For example, pen, pens, book, books, etc. Uncountable nouns don't have plural forms. For example, the plural of rice is rice, not the rices, and the plural of gold is gold, not the golds. As we have quickly discussed what countable nouns and uncountable nouns are, let us get back to our topic. So, little is used with uncountable nouns and few is used with countable nouns. Little denotes the amount and few denotes plural number. That means few is always used with plural nouns. Do you remember in the beginning of this video I asked you 2 questions and asked you to choose the right one. The first sentence was my mother speaks little English and my mother speaks few English, and the right answer was my mother speaks little English. Why? Because English is uncountable. The plural of English is not Englishes. There is no plural form of English. The second sentence was we are little miles away or we are few miles away, and the right answer was we are few miles away because the word mile is a countable noun. That is the reason why we used few with miles and little with English, because English is uncountable and miles is countable. It can be counted in numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and it has both singular and plural forms. Now let us try to understand what little and few, a little and a few, and the little and the few are. The words like little and few have the same meaning, hardly any, and both the words are used in a negative sense. Little is used with uncountable nouns and few is used with countable nouns. A little and a few means some, not much or many, and both the words are used in a positive sense. It denotes a positive idea. The words like the little and the few mean all of it. It is neither used in a positive sense nor in a negative sense. Now let us try to understand the usages of little and few, a little and a few, the little and the few with more examples. Let us try to understand how the word little is used in a sentence. Let us understand with an example. Let's say that your friend came to you and asked for a help. He said, "My friend, I need your help." How would you reply? Your reply depends on whether you want to help him or not. If you don't want to help him because you have no time, you would say, "I'd love to help you, but I have little time." You are using the word little in a negative sense. You are saying that you have no time. If you still want to help him, not because you're absolutely free, but you have a desire to help your friend because he is asking for your help, then you would say, "I have a little time, I can help you." You are using a little in this sentence in a positive sense. You are saying that, yes, I want to help you. Let's take another example. Your friend comes to you and requests you to lend him some money because he is in need. And your condition is such that you don't have enough money, and the money that you have is not sufficient to meet your own needs. And in this situation, you feel that you are not in a position to give him any money. At that moment, you would say, "I want to help you, but I have little money with me." That means you are not in a position to lend him any money. However, if you say, "I have a little money," it means that you do not have enough money. Still then, you have some money to give him. Some of you might question, isn't money a countable noun? Why am I using a little which is used with an uncountable noun with money? Well, let me tell you very clearly, money is an uncountable noun. Money cannot be counted. If you closely look at the banknote of India, you will see that there is a promise letter signed by the governor of the Reserve Bank of India. It says, "I promise to pay the bearer the sum of rupees 100. What does this mean? It means that the governor of the Reserve Bank of India is promising you to give you 100 rupees if you have this promise letter. That means nobody has seen money. Money is an abstract noun, so money is also an uncountable noun. Now let us try to understand the usages of few and a few with examples. If you say that there are few students in the library, you are saying that there are hardly any, maybe 2 or 3 students in the library. The library is almost empty. You are using the word few in a negative sense to mean that the number of students is very less in the library. However, if you say that there are a few students in the library, you are saying that there are not many students but some. The number of students present in the library is positive. There are not many students in the library. Still then, there are some students present in the library. If you say, "I know few people here in the city," that means the number of people you know in the city is very few, almost none, hardly any. However, if you say, "I know a few people in the city," it means that you do not know many people in the city but some. The number of people you know in the city is positive. Now let us talk about the little and the few. The little and the few both mean all of it. The only difference is that the little is used with uncountable nouns and the few is used with countable nouns. For example, if you say, "I gave him the little money I had," that means you gave all the money that you had to him and now you do not have any money left with you. Let us try to use the word "the few" in a sentence and try to understand what it means. If you say, "The few friends I had have left me now," what does it mean? It means that you did not have many friends. All the friends that you had, the few friends you had, have left you now. The few friends refer to all the friends that you had. Now let us summarize what we discussed today. Little is used with uncountable nouns and it denotes the whole amount. Few is used with countable nouns and it denotes a number. They are always used with plural nouns. Little and few mean hardly any. They are used in a negative sense. A little and a few means some, not much. They are used in a positive sense. And the little and the few means all of it. It is neither negative nor positive, but it is all of it. If you have found this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos on English grammar, literature and many more. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time when a new video is uploaded. If my videos are helping you, then there is no greater joy for me than this. And all you can do in return is your love and support. Your likes and subscriptions will help me go a long way and create more videos and help millions in learning. Please write your response in the comment box below if this video has helped you. See you next time with another video. Stay tuned.